Alright, YouTube land. So, the second video of today. First one on the Camry. This car had a little bit longer. This is a 2002 Ford Escape. Paid a little under $1,000 for her. She is a V6 all-wheel drive. Again, another gray and gray two-tone paint job on this one. Again, this car is very nice. It's a little dirty now, even though I washed it once. Lots of room, a weird plate, which I don't know where the car went to. It might have gone to this, I'll never know. You can see the seats fold, well, differently. That guy can recline more, this one can recline less, or vice versa. It's an XLT. Surprising, the glass is still intact. That's the door glass. Little poppy. The heating coil for the defrost is still there. Oh, here's UPS man. Tires are decent. This door is the main sore point of it. That one's a little bit off too, but I digress. Seats are in really nice shape. When I first got them, they were folded down with some starburst inside them. Let's see, if I remember correctly, you have to pull this one here, and this slides forward. Well, it would if that seat wasn't in the way. And this one will fold all the way down, if the seat was not all the way back here. You can see there is power again. This what is a running drive, or I should say was. While fixing the AC, I managed to break a bolt in the block, so I'm going to have to send it out to be fixed. We have 216K. If you're wondering why the plastics are all off, when I first got it, there's the keyboard. There it is. Dong, dong, dong. Turn that off. Okay, so you know, it just be all the way out. When I first got it, I couldn't get it out of park, and I'll include a little video snippet of this car rolling away. Oh. That ain't right. Oh. Right into the river. I can't believe that happened. Oh boy. Yikes. Because when I first got it, the truck, these are the yard men who was moving this car out for me. Didn't know it was in neutral. I know it was neutral. It was just like this. We both had no idea, but it was unhooked from the transmission itself. So it free rolled on its own. Now, we have 216K on the clock. She does run rough. The belt is loose right now. I have to fix that. Again, it's not hooked up all the way because I fucked up. You know, I would be surprised if I just fucked up twice and managed to wrap the goddamn belt around a pulley. Now the coils are loose. Probably gonna replace those. We're missing one wheel cap, which I will take care of later. There's a spider here. Fuck off. You saw that, that was weird. Again, we have a nice little 6-cylinder here. And looks like the belt is way the fuck down there, which might mean I actually did wrap it around something and break it. Fuck me. We have good coolant. We have no milkshake. A very tight belt there. Surprise on that one. Let's see, power steering is a bit old looking. I'm gonna have to do the spark plugs on this, and you can see how loose these little bastards are. So yeah, that one looks really fucking weird. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna replace all four. This was brand new. This is brand new, of course. The air filter was brand new. So it was surprisingly nice. It's an all-wheel drive. I'll go back in the cab in a minute. Ouch. Damn bolts. I mean bugs. It's starting to eat me alive now. As you heard, she does run. I'm not gonna start her up again because I don't want any more risk of damage. Nice pinstripe, which is not faded off. Very strange to see. See the dust starting to build up from how long she's been here. Because me and the wife went to go celebrate the baby shower. We have the dimming lights here. That's weird. Why was the brights on? So when I first got this car, it was stuck in also, like I said, it was stuck in park on here. Found out it was the solenoid right there that was malfunctioning. Now watch. It wasn't doing that earlier. So like my 06 Dodge Charger, the gray one, has a similar issue, but in this case it wasn't broken plastic. Ah, door's closing on me. Here's a little more. Wait, noise. What is that noise? That's weird. I don't like that. Here we have our hazards. Weird location. Defrost. Auto and on for the all-wheel drive. What the hell? Okay. Are all these buttons broken? Yes, indeed they are. Work on that later. Parking brake does not really work all the way, but it does enough for now. But we'll be back for this car. Probably. It's really fucking bothering me. Oh yeah, these are broken too. I don't know how they broke these, but they broke those. It's weird. I'm thinking that it's such a long lock setting. Oh. Key back in. Check the windows. Window 1 works. Window 2 works. Window 3 works. Do I get double? It works. But that button stick says bad to know. Good to know, bad to know. It don't take the key all the way out. Yeah, whatever. This car might already be sold, so that's good. Neighbor's gonna buy it. The same guy bought the Ford Escort ZX2. He'll be buying this one, so that's pretty nice. Repeat customers. Always nice to see. He just got that one running. That one I sold to him with the, he had the transition bled for the clutch, yada yada. But yeah, that's into that. I did a little cleaning here because Lincoln Military is again on my ass for stupid shit. Anywho, I'm going to leave it at that. Go inside, take care of my bug bites. That's what's missing there. And I'll hopefully be back working on this one in the near future. Thanks for watching.